Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Janice. If you are new here, do click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to split a video. If you've got a video and in CapCut, how to split the video or an image. Okay, so for video, for example, I want to split it here. How to split it? It's actually very easy. Just click on this button, split, and the video is split. That's how easy. And you can just drag around your video wherever you want to split video. Same for pictures, you can actually split your picture as well. I can split the picture. Okay, this is for video. I just split my video. I'm going to split my picture, this one. Okay, I can split my picture wherever I want and then drag it to whichever place I want. Things like that. Okay, that's how to do it. And then you can undo if you don't want. This is the undo button. And then this is redo. This is the split button. Okay, that's how to split a CapCut video. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.